Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys find my device guys. How can we turn off in our techno phone? Friends, you want to off guys your find my device setting. So as you can off it, and guys now let's see how to off find my device in our techno phone. In this video friends, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel, so can first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon. So it's now time to start video friends. First of all, open your phone setting to turn off find my device. Then I scroll it. As you can see guys, the security setting can step here. As you can see, find my device setting can step here. So is your find my device on and guys off? So as you can on and off from here. So as you want to off it means, so we will tap here this icon to off, then guys your find my device will off. Turn on find my device so you can find, lock or reset this device if it's lost. So I hope friends you have understood how to turn off find my device in Technophone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video. Bye bye friends.